The first way to use essential oils to keep the smell out of your home, of course, is going to be your drain. On any sink, any bathtub, anything like that, you can take just a little bit of your essential oil of choice, put a couple drops down the drain, and this is going to help keep any odors of any food that got down there, especially if you have a garbage disposal. I don't have one in the home that I currently live in, but in our military housing that we lived in, they always had garbage disposals, and I would do this about once a week. Just take a couple drops and drop them down there just to keep it from smelling. It's a really easy, simple way to keep the smell from happening, and this is just super convenient to keep either up here by your sink or in a cabinet or something, just for super easy access. But just a couple drops of this really does the trick. Another super simple, easy way to use essential oil is actually to put a couple drops in your laundry. You can put it right in where you put in your laundry detergent in any washer, and it'll leave it smelling really well. I have a video that I can link down below where I actually use this on my pillows. That video shares how to whiten pillows and remove odor really easy, just with essential oils, a little bit of vinegar, and baking soda. Super simple. I do it all the time, but I like to throw lavender in on any of my blankets, bedding, anything like that. It's a super easy and inexpensive way to get the smell in there, and it does the same job and kind of is a knockoff version of any sort of scent boosters. These are the scent boosters that I like to keep on hand. However, these are really expensive. They can be up to $12 for a container of these. I do really enjoy these, I'm not gonna lie. It takes me personally about 4 or 5 months to go through these calming ones. But honestly, essential oil at Walmart, the Walmart brand here that I am using for this video, is $3, and this will probably last you just as long if you kept it up here on your washer and just used it for those purposes. So totally up to you, but that's another way that I use essential oil, just kind of around the house and defeat odor, I guess.
The last way to use essential oil in your home to kind of fight odor is to actually take a couple drops of that essential oil and drop it right into the filter of your vacuum, and then vacuum as normal. This way, when you do it, it's going to spray that scent of essential oil all throughout your house really naturally. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, I will see you guys